Good morning, and here I am discussing about the soil. Soil as a three-phase system. We already know that the soil mass is consisting of solid particles like soil grains, water, and air. Because here the whatever the voids are there, they are filled with either by the water or air. And here we already know that the air, whichever is the space consists of air, then we are calling it as a volume of the air. And here those are known as the volume of water and volume of the solids. And here the weight of air, here this is weight of the air, and this is weight of the water, and this is the weight of the dry soil. And here the volume of the voids, here the V means voids. Okay, the weight of the voids are nothing but the weight of the water, because we already know that the weight of the air is equal to 0. Okay, and the total weight here, the total weight is nothing but the volume of the dry soil and volume of the water and volume of the air. Because the volume of the air is 0, then we are consisting of the total weight of the system is, that is the weight of the dry soil and the weight of the water. Okay, and here the volume is, here the volume of the solids, it is having a volume, that's why it is a volume of the solids. And here the volume of the voids, because air also consists, the air is not having the weight but it is having the volume, that's why it will, here the volume of the voids, here it is including the volume of the air as well as the volume of the water. Okay, and here whenever we are saying the volume of the voids are, we are going to say it as volume of the air as well as the volume of the water. So here the volume of the solids means, here the total volume consisting of, the total volume is consisting of, that is the volume of the air, the volume of the water, and the volume of the solids. So only solids, if we are asking to find out the volume of the solids, then in total volume we are going to subtract the volume of the voids. Okay, now this is what we are calling it as a soil as the three-phase system. Okay, and I hope it is clear. Okay, and in next class we are going to discuss about the relationship between the voids ratio and porosity. Thank you.